What is up, guys? It's Ransurf here. Today, I'm going to be doing the Unit 2 review for computer science called AddCoins. So I kind of deleted the video I had earlier. It was just me setting all of this up. Nothing too special though. I just set up like the methods for everything, and I set up the constructors and variables. So yeah, let's just continue on from here, I guess. I'm too lazy to redo everything. It took like 10 minutes, yo. Okay. Okay. So, if you just want a quick run over, I created variables for the coins, the value of the coins, which you do not need, so I'm getting rid of those. So just the coins, number of coins, and the total. So parameters, I have the default one that sets everything into 0, and I have the and I have one with parameters that set it to whatever the user inputs. So for the set methods, these are just for like if you want to change the value of a specific variable, not just like all of them at once. So we're just gonna do the same thing as we would for like the constructors, yeah. So for set quarter, we'd take the input of q, and then we just set it to num quarters equals q, and for the rest of the coins we could just do the exact same thing, but just for their own things, you know. Num dimes equals d, set nickel int n, num dimes equals num nickels equals n. Set penny, frick, why am I blanking out? Int p, num penny equals n. No, p, whoopsies. So yeah, there we go. Now let's do the get methods, I guess. And what these do basically is they get the value of the variable in this class, and they make it so you can access it and like find out the value from the runner class. So what we'll have to do to set that up is basically do return and then num quarters. And what that will do is when you call this method, it'll run the code inside, which is return num quarters, and wherever you put the command get quarter, it'll return with a value of how many quarters there are. So I don't know what's wrong over here. Oh, int. Yeah, you gotta change it from void to int since you're returning an integer, just like that. And we gotta change it for all of them. Just like that, and then return num pennies, return num nickels, and return num dimes. So now that should be done. Print. Oh, we have nothing in the runner. Fuck. Oh, I mean, frick. So public void print. Let's see what they want for the output. Fuck. Oh, stop swearing, bro. Oh my god. So, yeah, for the total, we just gotta print out this line, I guess. So, let's just copy it. System.outPrint line, and then we're gonna do string format since we're gonna need to format the decimal to. Wait, it won't really matter, huh? It's whatever. Let's just do string format. Just why not? String format in here. We can put the string of total, and then just get rid of that right there. Yeah, to finish off this print statement, we're just gonna do the formatting real quick. So it's gonna be percent 0.2f, f for double, and then we're gonna put a comma, and then what variable? Total cost, or just total is what we called it, just like that. And now we're just gonna do the calculations in the calc dollar amount. We're just gonna do total equals quarters. Wait, let's do this in brackets. Quarters times 0.25 plus dimes times 0.10 plus nickels times 0.05, and last but not least, pennies. Oh, are they called? Oh, frick, they're called num. Whoopsies. Just change that real quick. Yeah. So we're just taking like the amount of coins and multiplying it by its value. Nothing too special. Num pennies. Come on. Okay, there we go. I feel like we should have this in brackets too. Just like that. And yeah. Oh, it's not X, it's star. Oh my god, I'm losing brain cells right now from my own code. There we go. So now we gotta go to the runner. Public static void main. Well, that was not it at all. String R's. Jesus Christ, I can't type today. What's happening? What? There we go. And then, what do we put here? My brain's actually fried right now. Okay. So, we're gonna prompt the user to input the amount of coins they have. Just gonna do some print statements. Print line. Enter your total coins. And then semicolon, next line. We're gonna ask them to input the amount of quarters. So we're just gonna do print. No print line. Just quarters plus, no plus. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, wait. We gotta set up the import scanner. So we're gonna do import Java util scanner since we're getting the input from the user. And we also gotta make the object. So we're just gonna do that real quick as well. Scanner kb equals new scanner system.in, just like that. Clean up my code a bit. There we go. After this, we're gonna get the value they input, so we're just gonna do kb dot int q equals kb dot next int. Yeah, sounds about right. And then I'm just gonna copy paste this because I'm lazy. Boop. 2 more times, and then change it to the right coins. So nickels, dimes, pennies, and then change the variable names as well. So now we have all that information. We're gonna create the object. Right, oh wait, let me see my other one real quick. Okay. See distance runner. Did I set up a blank constructor? No, I did not. Okay. So let's go back here real quick. Yeah, so now we gotta transfer these values from the runner to the other class. So we're gonna create a constructor method, or call one, I guess I should say. It's gonna be AddCoins equals, no, AddCoins, and then, wait, how do you do it? Okay, AddCoins test equals new AddCoins, and then the parameters we set were quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. So we're just gonna do Q, D, and P. What did I do wrong? Oh, it was right. What? Okay, whatever. Then we have that. We're gonna call the calculate cost command. So test.calculate cost. And then we're gonna call the print command, so test.print. And that should be everything. Apparently it's not calculate cost, it's just calc cost. Let's just put that. Or calc what? Calc dollar amount. That sounds so stupid. Dollar amount. There we go. So now if we run it, it should work. Oh, whoops. I did not mean to do that. What is happening? What the frick? There we go. Okay. Quarters 3, nickels 2, rip. I messed this up. Should be dimes and not nickels, and this should be nickels, not dimes. There we go. This looks about right. Just gotta have a new line before it prints out a total. So let's just put that real quick. Right here. Is it here? Yeah. So yeah, that should be it. 3218. Total 108. Oh, you gotta have the dollar sign. So to do that, you just gotta put it before the percent, I think. So 3218. Yep. And I think that's it, really. Yeah. Let's just reread the review, see if we got everything that we needed to. Okay, I guess that's it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, that sounds about right.